my love. You are the gift I've always wanted. You are gorgeous, intelligent, funny, warm-hearted, and most notably, loving towards others. It's that big heart you have that has allowed me to blossom into the man I am today. Life is truly but a game, and love is the prize. Today and every day after with you is a win. I promise to love you and hold you close for many years to come, my cheekies.
My love, as I stand here before you, I am reminded of the countless moments that brought us to this day. My gratitude for you and your devotion to lifelong search of growth, who never stops being curious, who stays accountable, and who never ever gives up. While so many things about us are opposite, we share similar qualities, and no matter how far the world tries to pull us apart, each of those things bring us back together. I promise to be your sanctuary, your fiercest protector, and your biggest cheerleader. Together we will create a life full of compassion, laughter, and the kind of love that inspires others. You are my greatest adventure, and I choose you today and every day.
By the power invested in me, I am privileged to pronounce you husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Chacon. You may kiss your bride.
Something to hold